In this video, I will show you step by step on how to fade out beats in FL Studio. How to fade out beats in FL Studio. Quick one, guys. If you are interested in audio mentorship, you like to know more and increase your knowledge on music production, recording, beat making, sound design, mixing and mastering, step by step practical process, irrespective of anywhere you are in the world, do well to contact me using the link in the description below of this video. So if you have a challenge in fading out your beat, especially when you are a newbie, this is exactly how to do it. So we're using this beat as an example. So sometimes most of the challenge you guys are having, probably you don't want your beat to just stop at an instance and you want it to gradually fade out. Let's say, for example, this is some of the challenge. This is the end of the beat. And you don't want your beat to stop like that. So the method we're going to be approaching this is the automation method. The automation method. So we're going to be using the automation method. So watch step by step. So the first thing you're going to do is to go to your mixer. So when you get to your mixer, you're going to be seeing different knob right here. So on this different knob, when this particular knob right here is the one that is controlling all the sound. So let me show you practically. So you can see with this master knob, all the volumes come down. So this particular knob, the mixer knob right here, is one controlling all the volume, which is the master. That is where all your outputs, all the sound is routed to, right? Then if you're using any of this knob here, is only going to be working on a particular instrument assigned to this track. For example, you have track 5 right here, and on the channel rack, you see 5. This particular sound is linked to 5. So if you pull down this 5, it's only going to be affecting that sound. But for you to bring everything down, you're going to be using the master. So now that we are on our master channel, so what you need to do right here is to hover down. So you right click. So after you right click, you see this menu. Then you scroll down. Then you see create automation clip. So you're going to find this option right here, create automation clip. So I'm going to click create automation clip. So I'm going to take this off. So the automation clip has actually appeared here. So to be able to start creating your automation, right? So you first of all also come back right here and copy the value, which is the 100% of this particular knob. So all you do is to right click. And after you right click, you go back here, you see copy value. So you copy the value. Then to be able to create your fade out, you're going to be creating points. So what you see right here is actually points, point at which you can actually pick. So the moment I hover my mouse right here, you see that pick knob, that pick hand on the mouse to be able to drag, right? So like this, you see it will drag. So I'm going to take it back, paste that value right there. So for you to be able to create the fade point, all you simply do is to create point. So you create a point. So after creating a point, you copy, paste back the value to give it the standard volume, right? So here you pull this one down. Beautiful. So let us try it. Beautiful. You see how it actually duck down and fade out the beat. So if you don't want it too early, all you simply need to do, you can actually push it in. Let's say you want it a little bit early, come back here and paste back the value to reset to the standard volume. So let's play it from here. Beautiful. So if you find this actually helpful, do well to subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends. So now you can see it actually goes down slant, right? So if you don't want it to go down slant, what you need to do is to push this intensity. This is called intensity uh, point. So you can use this intensity. If you want it to go down fast, you can put it like this. And when you put it like this is what happens. It can easily fade out. So I hope you actually do not want it this way, but if you want it that way, that's exactly to do it. Then if you don't want it to easily just dip and fade out, all you do simply is to take it up to gradually curve down, right? You also use this. Beautiful. So you can also do that in your um, fade in. Probably you are starting the beat and you want to do fade in on the beat. You can actually do like this. So what you need to do is to create a point. After you create a point, you come here, you drag, come to the front. Probably you don't want it to start that very low. What you simply need to do is also to pull it up. So more like you are building what a rising point. Then if you want the intensity not to be too down like this, so you simply do is also to pull it up. Let's say like this, you bring this one down. Beautiful. You must agree that that is a very rising point. So guys, do well to like this video. Comment your next question on the comment section. Also do well to like and share this video to your friends that are interested. So you can also use this automation to be creative. You can use it to create let's say a stop like a middle style stop. For example, you're going to do it like this. Let's say paste value. Then you create another point right here. Then you bring this one down. Let's say you just want to be creative with it. You also create another point right here. No, let's say with this. Good. Then you're bringing this. Beautiful. See how that one sound, eh? Just basically creative. You can also use this automation to create a stop style on your beat. So you can just be creative with it just the way you want. Beautiful. Let me take this one down. You can also use it to create a rise points. So you drag this intensity. Then if you're not seeing it very well, you can also zoom in. Just like this. That's a very good rising point. So guys, hope you find this video very helpful. So this is basically on how to fade out beat in FL Studio 20. So remember, if you're interested in audio mentorship and you like to know more from beginner to professional level and also increase your knowledge on music production, beat making, recording, mixing and mastering, step-by-step practical process irrespective of anywhere you are in the world, do well to contact me using the link in the description below. So do well to watch the next video.